Hello everyone. My name is Akshat and continuing with hashtag DrGViswanathan's challenge. Last question number 110. Well, I have already done this question on 16, I think, yeah, 16 January 2025. Well, I am late making these videos as always. I thought of making this like last video properly scripting and all, but I'm not in a mood of making the video currently, so I thought it's important to like conclude the video, conclude the playlist. So I'm making this video. So I'll just go point wise. Firstly, thank you for watching the videos and giving likes because few of you actually do appreciate by giving likes and comments in my previous videos. So thank you for that. And if you like want to, you can definitely subscribe this channel. A small thing I can guarantee you that no nonsense and videos is going to come on this channel. Either it's going to be good helpful video or there's no video. I'm not into making these videos and all, so fine. For the last question, yeah, this last question is very interesting question because this question is from mathematics. Okay, and I have done hard level question. And the best part is you can see the space and time complexity. Yeah, this is not the optimum time complexity, but it's a good time complexity, and I'm happy about this time complexity. Why? Because the code which I have written, the logic behind this code is actually not copied from somebody else. It's a very basic geometry level logic. Basically, the question is if you are given n number of points and you are just asked how many maximum points you can like line point in a single line, right? So how you will going to find out? Well, easy thing is if you have 2 points. Let's suppose this. Okay, you know what? Let's go. We'll paint for the last video. It's easy. Okay, if this is the point, this is the point, then this line has two things. First, m, basically slope from the x-axis, and y. Y is basically कहाँ पे कट रहा है, right? Well, if sorry, if you have so many points in this space, so there can be n number of lines. One line, two line, three line, four line, five line, so on and so forth. Well, then what's the answer of this question? Well, answer is the maximum number of points combined result in the same slope. For example, see these three concurrent points. This is also the same slope, this is also the same slope, and this is also the same slope, right? So if we can easily track the number of points satisfying the slopes, we can tell the maximum number of lines. Okay, yeah, don't save, obviously. So this is a simple logic double for loop. I initially thought this double for loop is not going to work out, but I don't know. The input is small, so I guess this works out. So yeah, this is the simple question. And see this acceptance ratio. Basically, 28.1% of person doing this question actually able to like submit this. So I'm satisfied with the answer. And this is the proof I have done all the question on time. You may ask why this 109 stack. I myself don't know. But I actually did a whole 110 questions. So total working active days is 112 and max stack is 109. So yeah, fine. Thank you for watching the videos, and I will post other videos. So yeah, thank you.